Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to turn YouTube video in a script using a Gemini prompt. So head over to your PC or your Gemini app. So I'm currently in my PC, logged in with my account. So here you have to ask to Gemini to get you some YouTube video. So let's say get me some cute bunny videos. Cute bunny YouTube videos. So it is currently connecting to YouTube and giving me some bunny videos. So let's say I'm gonna make a tutorial of this second or first, second, third, fourth, this fourth ones. So I'm gonna say, make me a tutorial of the fourth video. So I'm gonna give it a go. So as you can see, it will connect to YouTube and will give me the tutorial. It might take a while. So it has given me so yeah, as you can see, it has given me a tutorial for it and already has given me the timestamps. So I just have to click on it and it will be redirected to YouTube and I can see from there. So yeah, this is how you can easily do it too. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video.